It's Aisha Chidolue from the Chidolue Law Firm. I'm an immigration attorney here in Orlando, Florida, but I represent clients all over the United States. Today, I want to specifically talk about the news that was passed by this administration yesterday, August 12th, about the new immigration policy for green card holders, which people are basically calling a wealth test, a very aggressive wealth test. So, a couple of people have asked me this, and there's confusion about what is the difference, because they've always asked for financial affidavit to make sure that whoever is applying for a green card is able to take care of themselves so that they don't become public charges. And so typically they would require seeing from the sponsor 125% above the poverty line. But the difference here is essentially now, starting in October, so 60 days from now, it's going to become a wealth test, which is going to limit certain demographics of people. What they're going to be looking at is that even though before, you consider finance, the financial affidavit of the sponsors, now they're really going to be looking at the individual themselves. So some of the things that they're going to be looking at you as an individual who's applying for a green card, and keep in mind, these are for people who are legally here, that have temporary visas, and wanting to get green cards. Some of the things they're going to be looking at are your health, your family status, your assets, your education, and your financial status. And they're going to be looking at that as a whole, and they're going to give the officials broad discretion in making a decision whether or not they should approve you for a green card based on that. So one of the things they've said is that, if you make 250% over the poverty line, of course, you're probably going to get approved, because, that would then average to about, I think, $64,000 a year for like a family of four or something. And they're not expecting you to be public charge. But anything less than that, even if it's past the 125% mark, you're going to have to work hard to show that even though you don't have this, it's not going to be a problem. So, a lot of people, are outraged because, they feel that, it's going to basically allow certain types of people to come here, and people that are going to be disproportionately affected by this are, people from third world countries, Central America, Africa, Caribbeans, because, they might be coming, and especially if English is not a native language to you, or you don't have the same sort of educational background as some people coming from, non-third world countries, which is one of the promises, I guess, the current administration made. So that's, essentially the explanation. So yes, they allowed financial, they did require you showing some sort of financial affidavit in the past. The only difference is that now it's going to be central, and now they're really going to be focusing on you, the green card applicant, to see your own educational background, your age, how old are you, what is your, family status, where you're from, and all of that stuff. So hope you found this video educational. As always, I'm an attorney, but not your attorney. If you need, this video is for informational purposes only. If you need any assistance or you want to speak to me, about this, definitely give me a call. My number is 407-995-6567. It's going to be listed below, and I would love if you could like and share this video. Thanks. Have a great day.